Gingerbread recipe, gingerbread, bake with me. Gingerbread recipe, sing along and bake with me. Come on, it's easy. Add flour, cinnamon powder, ginger powder, baking soda, and whisk it, whisk it, whisk it all together. Whisk it, whisk it, whisk it all together. Add butter. Squeeze it, squeeze it, squeeze it all together. Squeeze it, squeeze it, squeeze it all together. Add sugar. Mix it, mix it, mix it all together. Mix it, mix it, mix it all together. Add golden syrup and 1 egg. Mix it, mix it, mix it all together. Squeeze it, squeeze it, squeeze it all together. Preheat the oven, make it really hot. Lightly flour a board and grab your rolling pin. Roll it, roll it, roll it nice and thin. Roll it, roll it, roll it nice and thin. Get your cookie cutters and cut them, cut them, cut out your shapes. Cut them, cut them, cut out your shapes. Put them on a tray, put them in the oven, and bake them, bake them, bake them in the oven. Bake them, bake them, bake them in the oven. Let them cool down for 10 minutes. Grab your icing pens. Decorate, decorate, decorate your cookies. Decorate, decorate, decorate your cookies. And now my favourite part. Eat them, eat them, eat up your cookies. Eat them, eat them, eat up your cookies. Yum! Merry Christmas, everyone! Follow us on WeChat and YouTube for more songs and videos. See you soon!